safeguard the health of those recycling volunteers still going out at this time to store recyclables on behalf of the planet. Tzu Chi volunteers make sure they're taken care of with reusable mangrove mask. The cover's fabric is provided by DA.AI Technology, while it is assembled by the local volunteers who was sued. The filtering layer is made with the same fabric as protective gowns, so it's very good at keeping respiratory droplets at bay.
The Fuxing recycling station in Taoyuan, Taiwan handles the recycling for a lot of plastic fruit bags, as well as much of the plastic bags used in packaging. Each day, about 20 to 30 recycling volunteers are here sorting, turning the otherwise discarded items into resources once more.
Hi everyone, this is from the master and her compassionate thoughts concerning your health. She has asked the volunteers who are good at sewing to make mask cover. The fabric is provided by DA.AI Technology. This is the inner layer, which is made with the same material as protective gowns, so the filtering protection property is very good.
Mask covers are handed to the recycling volunteers one by one, as well as teaching them how to use it.
Thank you, Master, for caring about our health and has given us these mask covers. We are thankful.
Volunteers at the Baoqing recycling station are also receiving the same items.
The filter layer is already inside the mask cover. It can be used for 7 to 10 days. You have 4 pieces of filter. Today, everyone receives 2 mask covers and 4 filter pieces.